Hey guys, welcome to our live, to our video show. Today gonna show you guys this is another our very popular and of course it's a great popular of the Shockwave theopie machine for the Shockwave theopie machine. We can call this machine. You can see this the machine body. Exactly what is this machine called? We can call it electromagnetic shockwave for the pain treatment instrument. Shockwave is a sound wave. It can be high energy transmission to the pain area, and of course the shockwave theopie as a highly effective treatment method is widely used in the chemical treatment of the bone and muscle disease, with no invasive, fast and safe and effective pain treatment technology. So this is the Shockwave we gonna show you guys. And for the machine, it can do the treatment, it can do the analgesic actions, eliminating the pain. And secondly, it can be celebrating the heals. This is mainly used to achieve, for example, of course, it can do the ED treatment as well. It is another additional function. And you will see that this is a display of the machine. On the main body, you will see this is showing different of the picture that it's for different area of the treatment you can do by this machine. You can do the elbow, you can do the tennis or golf elbow, you can do the shin pain, thin by spring, of course for the chronic neck, shoulder, and the back pain. For the shoulder pain, such as the rotator cuff, tendinitis, and bursitis, impingements, or triplet tension pains. Also can do the heel pain for the plant facility, for the muscle tension caused by the muscle jangle points. Of course, can do the neck as well. This is for the machine you can do. And next, we come with, you will see the display over here. The machine, they will come with the handle pieces for one handle for the treatment, and it come with the tips for the treatment tips. Over here, there are 7 pieces of treatment tip. We can number it from 1 to 7. This is the number tips. And for different of the chip, you can do the different of the treatment. This is a bigger size. The bigger size we can call this is number 5 tips. Number 5, and this is the size. And for we can call number 4. And this is the size for number 3 and number 2, number 1. This is 5 tips for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 tip. It can do treatment on different area of your body, and of course, we will come with is a special soft cover. This is for more comfortable to do a treatment. You just cover on the handle pieces for treatment. And this is a handle, and this is a 2 special tips, two special tips, and it's for the ED treatment. ED treatment for the 2 special tips. This is especially for ED treatment. And as well, you can see the display. And this is a box. You can show you guys. It's a very popular box for this one. It's a very popular and very popular box. It's over here. You can take it away. You can remove it. You can bring it everywhere. This is a very flexible, portable one. And also, just open it. And this is a connector. So connector to connect the handle pieces to do treatment. And later on, I will show you guys and how to do the demonstration, how to do the treatment for each area of the body. And we have some recommends for each of the treatments, for each of the treatment for your body. For example, for the elbow, we use number 2 or number 3. For elbow treatment, we use number 2 or number 3. This is number 2. This is number 2 tips. This is number 3 tips for the elbow treatment. The elbow treatment, We recommend the treatment times is 3 to 5 times, 3 to 5 times, and each time we suggest the interval time is about 3 to 7 days a time. That means around 1 week you can do one time treatment for the elbow, and after 3 to 5 times, we finish the treatment. That's for elbow treatment. And the energy exactly for this model, the energy we already fixed. The energy we already fixed for each area of our body. So later on, you guys will see each area we already make a default setting for the treatment. So this one more special thing for this model, you don't need to set up it again for each area body. You just turn on the machine and just started to do the treatment for each area, and then you can finish the treatment. And also for elbow, we use the number 2 and number 3. And if you want to use for the knee, if you want to use for the knee treatment, it's over here. Knee treatment, you can use the number 3 or 4. Number 3 or 4 for the knee treatment. So the same is the number, this is number 4, this is number 3. You can use 3 or 4. This is number 3, number 4 for the knee treatment. And the knee treatment, the same thing we suggest that is the 3 to 5 times. 3 to 5 times. Each time about 3 to 7 days a time. 3 to 7 days a time. This is the recommends for the treatment. And the next is for the shoulder. For the shoulder treatment, we also suggest can use number 4 or 5. This is number 5, biggest area for your shoulder treatment. For the shoulder, number 4 and number 5 for the shoulder treatment. The same wave and 3 to 5 times. Of course, depend different clients, because more professional doctor, they will know how many times for the treatment for each of the area of your body. So we suggest is for shoulder, you use number 4 or number 5. These two tips. And the same thing around 5 to 7 days at times. 5 to 7 days at time for the shoulder. And the thin bind, the same. The thin bind, we can suggest use number 4 or 5. And the hands, if the hand treatment for the waist treatment, you can use number 1 and number 2. This is number 1, and this is number 2. This is for the hand treatment, number 1 and number 2. The same thing, 3 to 5 times, and 5 to 7 days a time is a treatment. For the foot, and for the ankle, we suggest use number 2 or 3. Use number 2 or 3. This is number 2, and this is number 3. Number 3. This is for the foot and the knee treatment. Foot and knee treatment use number 2 and number 3. This is the we suggest. And the treatment time, the same thing, 3 to 5 times. 3 to 5 times. And 5 to 7 days a time. 5 to 7 days a time. This is for the knee we suggest. The knee also we can use number 1 and number 2. This is for knee. So exactly depends different clients of the treatment area. You can select different design shape of the treatment tip to do the treatment for each area of your body, and you just change it. You can install it. You can install the tip over here and press start the treatment. So next, we will let you guys show the display. So now we connect the handle. We connect the handle is over here. The handle over here. Just connect it. The handle, you need to fix it. The handle, and just fix it. Fix the script. And this is the handle. This is the handle for the machine. And First, we use the number 5.
Mình sẽ ủ lên.
We can install the tapes. We install the tapes. And then we can connect the power cords to turn it on to take a look. So you will see on the back of the machine, this is the area for you to connect the power cord. So you connect the power cord, and then we turn it on. So you'll see when you turn it on, this is a button control. This is a button control. This button control is more convenient. Exactly, it's more flexible model. You just each of the treatment, you just select, just press each of the treatment. The system already fixed. To fix the data treatment for you guys, and over here you will see it's fixed data treatment. You just use different tips to treatment. And this is the temperature. If the temperature, that means it's the handle temperature. It's the handle temperature. Because when you do the treatment, the handle will keep learning. The handle will keep. You will hear the sound later on. It's a fan inside to do the cooling for the handle pieces. Because if don't have another thing is the handle pieces, we can through this is a small screen over here to know that the temperature of the handle pieces. If too hot, then we can take a rest. This is handle pieces. You will see when we press the stop, you will hear the sound. This is the fans over here. It's strong fan to get a handle become more under a very good condition, very cold, cold condition to do a treatment. This is the button. You just press this button, it will start to do a treatment. So it's very flexible for you guys to do treatment on the body. Each of the area you will see. Just select each of area of the body to change the tips. Like what I mentioned before, for the neck, for your shoulder, for your hands, and for the lumbar, for area of the body, you use different of tips to do treatment. Of course, these tips for each of the treatment, we will provide you guys the instruction for this area of your body. So it's very easy to understand this machine. You just select the button. And it's fix the data for the treatment, and then you can do a treatment area. Of course, if you want to do a treatment on the patients, next step I will show you guys. I will do the demo on the patient to let you guys know. So you will see the display over here. For each area of your body, you just select the button. For shoulder, for the leg, you will see it will have the light out for each area of the body. It will display over here the data is already fixed. This is just for the fact. This is for neck. And this model, and we need to show you guys for this one. This one is like the DIY mode. This is you can adjust it. Only this mode, only this button. When you press it, you can adjust it. You can adjust the energy, you can adjust the frequency by yourself. This is for more professional doctor. They can use this more to adjust more or less. Mostly, when you start to use this machine, you can select, as what we said just now, you can just press the button to select the option to do a treatment. It's very easy to understand, and each area of the body to do a treatment is over here like this. So we can select something like, for example, we do the shoulder. on the shoulder, we select the shoulder. We select the shoulder. Select the shoulder for each area of a knee. We can use the shoulder. For example, you use number 4 and 5. 4 and 5 tips. So that means you need to use the biggest area for the 4 and 5 for the shoulder. So we install the chip tips for the shoulder. And then if the client, we can use the soft cover over here. And this treatment is the client doing the treatment is feel more comfortable. Of course, you cannot just leave it. You can just contact the skin directly by this area. And now we try to test on the patient. We cover the tips. And before you do the treatment, firstly on the patients, on the clients, how to do the treatment. For your body, every area of the body, different clients, maybe their pain is different. You just ask the client you press it to find which area they feel pain, they feel uncomfortable. Just find the pain points. For example, this area, the client said at this area they feel pain, so now we find out the treatment area over here. And then we find out the treatment area and then we use the gel. Use the gel. Gel, you can use the normal facial gel or any kind of the gel. This is some treatment gel. You can use the gel to apply the gel on the treatment, on the pain area. This is a pain point. Firstly, find the pain point on the body, and secondly, apply the gel. And thirdly, you will see this is a handle. It's more flexible. Control. You just press the button. This is a hand control to the operator. You just press the button. It will start the treatment. You will see press, start, press, and then start again. So now we can start. We can press the button. And the treatment, for the treatment, you can point one point to shoot. One point shoot, that means you can hit 1 point or 1 point to shoot. You can do the rotate to do a treatment. You can see the video I showed. So now we do the demonstration like this. This is a point for the point treatment. And this is rotate. This is a rotate way to do the treatment on body, and this is a point treatment. This is a point. This is a rotate. If after during the treatment, the clients feel good or feel uncomfortable, exactly this is the control button. You can start it, you can restart it, you can restart it to do a treatment by the handle control. Of course, the setup after the finish the 1 point treatment, and then it will stop automatically for treatment. You can do the operation over here. Operation over here. So this is like mostly like it can do the massage on the body. Of course, it can do the massage on each area of the body. This is a point treatment, and this is a rotate. So after the treatment, and then we can clean up the gel. It's very easy to clean up the gel on your body and do the small massage on the area for the body. This is what we do. You can do the relaxation, the muscle, the body, and of course, you need to clean up the tips. After treatment, clean up the tips. No matter for the shoulder or for knee, for leg, for different area of body, is the same way to do the treatment. It's the same way to do the treatment for the clients. And so this is another model. It's a very popular one. Of course, it's very flexible and it's a great try for guys to understand this one. And if you guys have any question, of course, you can contact us anytime. Thank you.